Hello everyone, welcome back to Time with Lydia the Pharmacist. Today's video is a continuation to my most recent video on easy steps to stop snoring. So please do check it out if you haven't yet seen it. Today we are going to be talking about 6 simple home remedies that you can carry out to help stop snoring. These are remedies or products that you can find easily in your home. The first one is honey. Honey has anti-inflammatory properties and it can reduce swelling around the throat area that can obstruct the airways. Plus, you can use honey as a sweetener for your tea. Honey lubricates the throat, which prevents the snoring vibrations from occurring. The second home remedy is chamomile. Chamomile has well-known anti-inflammatory effects and it can help stop snoring. It is also a nerve and muscle relaxant that can ease tensed muscles and nerves around the throat and help you sleep better. All you need to do is add 1 tablespoon of chamomile flowers or 1 chamomile tea bag to 1 cup of water. Boil it for about 15 minutes. Strain it and add 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink the warm tea before going to bed. The third home remedy is garlic. If you snore due to sinus blockage, garlic can give you relief. Garlic helps reduce mucus buildup in the nasal passages, as well as inflammation in the respiratory system. Chew on 1 to 2 raw garlic cloves and then drink a glass of water. Do this daily, preferably before bedtime, to enjoy sound sleep and reduce snoring. Also use garlic whilst cooking your dinner and eat your food whilst it is hot. You would agree with me that garlic gives your food a very good flavor. And the fourth home remedy is turmeric. Turmeric has got powerful antiseptic and antioxidant properties. It can treat inflammation and help reduce heavy snoring. Turmeric should be used with milk to treat snoring. There are lots of recipes available, but the simplest way to do it is to add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder to a glass of warm milk. Drink it 30 minutes before going to sleep. Do this daily. And the fifth home remedy is steam. Nasal congestion is one of the main reasons behind snoring, and one of the best solutions for reducing congestion is to inhale steam. Pour hot boiling water in a large bowl. Add 3 or 4 drops of eucalyptus essential oil or tea tree essential oil. Hold a towel over your head and inhale the steam deeply through your nose for 10 minutes. Follow this remedy daily before going to bed until your congestion clears. And the 6th home remedy is olive oil. Olive oil has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil eases the tissues all along the respiratory passages, reducing the swelling to provide a clear passage for air. It can also reduce soreness. Use this remedy regularly to also lessen the vibrations in the throat and stop snoring. Take 2 or 3 sips of olive oil before going to bed daily. Combine 1/2 teaspoon each of olive oil and honey and consume it daily before going to bed.